Welcome. In today's video, we'll address the issue of the Gmail app continuously logging you out. This can be really frustrating, but don't worry. We have some effective steps to help you resolve it. Let's get started. First, clear the cache and data. Go to your device's settings, then Apps, and find Gmail. Tap on Storage, and then select Clear Cache followed by Clear Data. This will help remove any temporary files that could be causing the issue. Next, make sure your app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for Gmail, and tap Update if there's a new version available. Keeping your app updated is crucial for optimal performance. Another step is to remove and re-add your Google account. Head to Settings, then Accounts, and select Google. Choose your account and tap Remove Account. After that, restart your device and re-add your Google account. Now let's check for system updates. Go to Settings, then System, and look for System Updates. Install any available updates to ensure your device is running smoothly. Lastly, consider reinstalling the Gmail app. Uninstall it from your device and then download it again from the Google Play Store. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of the Gmail app logging you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips.